Welcome back here to the Best of the Farm Progress Show 2011. Well, the opportunity to see old friends each year at the Farm Progress Show is one aspect that makes showtime so personally enjoyable, I must say, for yours truly. There are some people you just look forward to visiting with each year. Paul Cabe is one of those guys. The president of KSI Conveyors told me about their latest edition.
Things move rapidly. The idea of getting the new innovations on, you got to always keep making improvements to your equipment. And this 16-1272, we've had it out about 4 or 5 years, and we've had to come in and add a lot of features. Some of them are the way our swing away operates, and it has a hydraulic dual wheel drive that swings it in and out underneath the trucks when the ground is rough. It also's got a self-leveling hitch, which keeps that so we can get our angles up there so we can reach the higher bends, along with the cleated belt. Naturally makes that a real good fit for a lot of areas where augers have been used in the past.
That cleated belt, that's unique, and it treats the grain so carefully. Actually,
that's been our stalwart. I mean, that's what brought us in the industry, and it's kept us there. And as long as we kind of add features with it, it's been a good opportunity for us to serve the ag industry.
I'm looking at your multi-bin apparatus up here over the conveyor.
Yeah.
Tell us about it.
That actually was an idea that we work a lot with the seed industry, and we need to have some options out there so we can keep our head heights down and still give queuing and staging an opportunity. You know, this planting gets done in a narrow window anymore, and they want to continuously flow that seed through those treaters at a high capacities. That has brought, and that's our new product this year, and it's brought a lot of interest in that seed industry.
I can imagine it has. You're so correct. I mean, we're moving so fast that we have to have the utmost of convenience, accessibility. We need to be able to do the job quickly, don't we?
Well, absolutely. It seems like, you know, if that window opens up with the planters we've got today, I mean, thousands of acres go in, and that seed has to be there or they can't run. And
you were showing the growers at the Farm Progress Show a brand new conveyor.
We came out with a brand new product. It's actually a 2114 115. That's our largest model. It's actually a high capacity conveyor, and there's a lot of features about that. It does have a hydraulic power swing drive over, which is first in the industry, where you can set the conveyor in place and then hydraulically move the swing, the drive over where you want it to make it convenient for the trucks. It's a 12,000 bushels per hour capacity, and that's going to be our big daddy at this point. It's got a 4-inch cleat instead of the 2-inch that we've had in all of our other conveyors.
That's a significant size increase, isn't it, for the larger operator?
Absolutely, and you know, the drive over with these hoppers and semis, people don't want to make it convenient because they have maybe some retired farmers that drive, and they can just drive over like you're in an elevator pit and just open up that gate and unload those trucks and get back out into the field.
And at harvest time also, just like planting, time is of the essence, isn't it?
It is, and you know what we're trying to do is augers are good, but conveyors have a place for safety and long lasting. I mean, conveyor just don't wear out if you maintain it right that first year. They just operate, and you can get a lot more units run through it with a lot less energy input, because the belt, naturally, you can run 40-50 horsepower motor on a conveyor where it takes 150, 200 sometimes for the same amount of capacities.
Anything else we need to know about that new conveyor?
You know, some of the things on that new conveyor has got features where they can replace augers, where you're using augers, but that cleated belt, we can get up to that 34, 36 degree angle, and that's been a stalwart for replacing augers in these grain setups out there that have always used augers. You can't stretch out the real estate, so it just fits right in there.
I hope you got a good look at that big bad boy, the Big Daddy, Paul called it, with 4-inch cleats and the 12,000 bushels per hour capacity. To learn more about their conveyors, as well as their bulk handling and automation equipment, just go to their website. It's KSIConveyors.com.